Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. In today's video, I guess I'll be doing like a showcase or just trying on all of my friend's lashes from her new lash company. So my friend Noelle just launched her new lash company called NOELLA Lashes, and she sent me some PR. So I got a few of the lashes here and I'm just gonna try them on for you guys so you can see the different styles and shapes and just see how they'll look. And I'm also gonna pop the NOELLA Lash Instagram name right here so you guys can go ahead and check them out on Instagram and make sure you go cop some NOELLA lashes. And if you don't know, I'm about to show y'all, okay? Her lashes are so bomb, so let's just go ahead and get right into trying them on. But one second before we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? I know a lot of y'all watching. I'm getting a lot of my views from people who are not subscribed. So I just need y'all to do me a favor and just hit that subscribe button. It's not gonna hurt. If you're gonna keep coming back, let's just hit subscribe so you can get notifications and everything. Hit that bell button, you know the deal, okay? Okay, all right, so she sent me 3 lashes. Here they are, all right here. And they all have different names and I'm just really excited to try them on, okay? So, yeah. So the 3 lash sets that she sent me were in the styles Fiona, Mia, and Heather. All of these lashes retail for 12 bucks. So in my eyes, I feel like that's really affordable. I know like a lot of like lash companies retail their lashes for like $20 and up, $15 and up, but $12, you guys, that's really affordable. And of course, you know that you can use these lashes more than one time as long as you care for them appropriately, clean them, you know, take care of them. You can get multiple uses out of them. And the lashes escalate in like how dramatic they are, so let me lay them out. So first we have Heather, which is probably like the most natural, and they look so pretty. Like I cannot wait to try these on. You guys have no idea. So these are like the most natural lashes. Let me get close for you. So yeah, these are the Heather lashes, and like I said, they're really natural, really cute, really pretty, you know? Just something simple. I feel like these lashes would be perfect for like everyday wear, like, you know, like when you just wanna have like a little natural lash, you don't wanna look too dramatic, but you still wanna look cute, you know? That's definitely the Heathers. And by the way, I am gonna be cutting them down to fit my eye shape, so make sure that you guys do that when you put on lashes, because some of y'all don't, and y'all lashes be over here. Okay guys, so we have the Heather lashes on, and y'all, look at them, they're so cute. Again, they may not be applied like perfectly because I'm just applying them like very lightly, you know, because I'm taking them off to try the other ones. So this ones might not be applied the best, but you can get the effect. Like look at the lashes, they're so pretty. Yeah, I definitely could see myself wearing these every day. They're super duper long, which I love, but it's like they're so wispy that they don't look like you're overdoing it. You know what I'm saying? Like they look very, very natural, like almost like really long natural lash extensions. I love them. These are so pretty. And you guys, these do have a black thicker band, which is something that I really like personally in lashes because I feel like it kind of, I don't know, it kind of gives the effect of like eyeliner. So I personally like it. I know some people like the invisible lash line, but these do have the thick black band, which I really appreciate. Next we have the style Mia, and this style is a little bit more dramatic than the last lash, but again, still super duper natural. Yeah, I can see myself wearing these every day too, to be honest. I don't care about like dramatic lashes personally, but for some people this might be a little too dramatic, but you might want to wear these like on date night or like when you go out. But yeah, again, these lashes are really pretty as well. Okay guys, so now I have the Mia lashes on, and okay, I thought these were gonna be longer than they were. I thought these were actually gonna be longer than the last pair, the Heather, but they actually seem like they're more of like a shorter lash, and they're very voluminous and very fluffy. So these lashes, I would say they're not as wispy just because they're not as long, so they don't have the opportunity to be as wispy, you know what I'm saying? They are still very long lash, like they're long for normal people, but for me, I like long lashes, so they're like a shorter lash for me, but they're very full and they're very dense and they're very just like voluminous, if that makes sense. So they have volume throughout the entire lash line. It doesn't seem like it kind of tapers. There is a little bit more volume at the end, of course, just because I feel like that's like normal lash like protocol, but I would say that they're very full lash from the inner corners to the outer corners, and they give your eye like a very natural look. I don't know how to explain it. These ones I feel like look more natural in my opinion than the last ones just because they're a shorter length, but the volume makes it look like a pair of lash extensions. You know what I'm saying? I love these lashes. Girl, you did it with these. Congratulations. These are so cute. All right, y'all, and the third lash style we have is the Fiona. And these are very dramatic, very pretty. They have like a thicker lash line at the base, like towards the band, and then they fan out to be very wispy. So I really like these lashes too. I can see myself wearing these like for special events, date night. The other two I could probably wear like every single day, to be honest. Like I would switch them back and forth, but these would definitely be like more of a date night lash, or when I really want to do like a dramatic look for pictures or something like that. Okay, you guys, so here's the last lash, the Fiona style. And y'all, these aren't a lash, okay? These are by far the most dramatic. They are just a little bit longer actually than the first pair, and they kind of have like the fullness at the band like the second pair. Like I really like these, but like I said again, these ones I would wear specifically for like dramatic looks, or if I'm doing like a big event or something like this. I wouldn't wear these lashes every day. Some people might like the whole dramatics every single day, but I don't. I like to keep it a little natural. So yeah, these ones I'll be pulling out for like special events, date nights, big dramatic eye looks, pictures, you know. Yeah, you guys, I love these lashes so much. Let me know in the comments down below which lash was your favorite. I would say I think my favorite were the first ones, the heather lashes, just because I felt like they were so natural, wispy, and they had my length that I like, and I just felt like they looked like really pretty natural lash extensions. So yeah, I think those are my favorite. Let me know which ones were yours. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out Noella Lashes. I'll make sure to link her website down below so you guys can go ahead and check out these lashes for yourself. Thank you, Noelle, for sending me these lashes. I love you so much, girly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.